Taylor Swift has rushed out of Australia following news that her father was accused of assaulting a local photographer. The Australian leg of Taylor Swift's Eras tour has come to a prickly finish as the 34-year-old made her way out of Sydney Airport on her private jet this morning, just hours after her father allegedly assaulted a photographer. Following her final show in Australia on Monday night, the singer and her close companions headed out to celebrate, which is when her father, 71-year-old Scott Swift, allegedly struck paparazzo Ben McDonald at a ferry wharf in Neutral Bay in the early hours of Tuesday morning. The 51-year-old reportedly claimed that Scott punched him in the face, with footage from just before the alleged altercation took place showing the 71-year-old walking up the wharf while showing his middle finger to the paparazzi. A spokeswoman for Taylor told the Daily Mail Australia that the photographers were being aggressive, with two particular paparazzi pushing their way toward the pop star and grabbing at her security personnel when they allegedly threatened to throw a female staff member into the water. However, McDonald slammed the statement as utter rubbish, claiming that the only female on the scene was the pop star herself, and claimed that the footage revealed he had not been acting aggressively. He claimed he didn't know what triggered Scott's reaction and previously claimed the financial advisor charged at him when he and Taylor climbed off the superyacht they had been traveling on earlier. McDonald claimed he was shocked when he realized the alleged attacker was the beloved father figure known as Papa Swift, saying that he first believed it was a bodyguard confronting him. The photographer does not believe he will have lasting injuries and did not require medical attention after the alleged incident, only that he has very sore chops, according to the Mail Online. The North Shore Police Command has launched an investigation into the alleged incident. Around midday, Taylor's Bombardier Global 6000 jet, which has also been recently carting around her beau Travis Kelce, was seen taxiing down the runway with the singer, her team and her father all believed to be on board, according to the Mail Online.